Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales, here today looking at this 2018 Freightliner 108 SD 4-axle dump truck with 17.5 foot haul lane, ridge lane dump body. One unique thing about this dump body is it has a second tailgate in the middle of it. I don't know if you can see that little hinge right there. This one has Hendrickson suspension on it, the Hendrickson walking beam, single leaf there, as well as a Hendrickson 13.2 steerable lift axle suspension. Hitch plate on the back, trench gate. Go ahead and take a look inside here. As you can see there, we got another tailgate in there, which is handy for hauling two different types of materials. You can haul, sand and gravel separated, put mulch in there in the front, dirt in the back, a lot of possibilities with that. Sometimes people do hot asphalt in one and then the broken asphalt in the other, so you can kind of tear up this road and repair it all in one shot. And this particular Freightliner SD here has a 20,000 pound front, as you can see. This Freightliner has the 20,000 pound front suspension with the 425 big old front tires there, Michelin's. Cummins L9 engine connected to an Allison 3000. Nice thing about the Allison 3000 is it doesn't cost as much as the Allison 4000 or 4500, which those will run you about $15,000 and up over the cost of a manual transmission, where the little Allison here is only about $5,000 or $6,000 more, and it's actually a few hundred pounds lighter as well than a standard, Eaton Fuller 10-speed, something like that, the Allison 3000, where the other Allisons are heavier than a manual transmission. So here's a cab, basically Freightliner M2 cab. No back window on this one, cloth seats. These cabs, these chassis are assembled in Mexico. There's all our dump body controls there. Got the latches for each tailgate, high lift, electric tarp, pump. These are all mechanical controls, so they're just really reliable by just having the air lines straight in there and the cable going directly to the pump compared to air over electric system. Here's how we turn the PTO on. All of that stuff. Gonna go ahead and fire it up. Maybe we can go for a little test drive here as well. Just kind of see what this thing will do. 0 to 40 mph. All right, we'll go ahead and put the bed up. Need the truck in neutral. Switch it on there. Go ahead and open both tailgates and the high lift. There it is going up. Bed does go up a little bit higher than that, just kind of stopped it right there. And this is a combination high lift tailgate on the back here. So it can do high lift or just regular swinging as well. So there we go with the tailgate open. Secondary tailgate here. 3-inch square tube subframe. Got the safety cable there. Shuts the pump off before it gets fully extended. Hydraulic tank under the bed, mount there. All right, go ahead and put this thing down and go for a little drive here. Okay. we go, just as easy as that, and we're going. Yeah, just super easy to drive. I mean, this is just with this Allison Auto, it's just really simple to operate is the main thing, and it's pretty quick. I mean, this is almost like driving a diesel pickup truck around. We're gonna see what it's gonna do right now from a stop here. And this Cummins L9 is set at 350 horsepower. With the Allison 3000, you can go all the way up to 370 horsepower and still be within that Allison 3000 range. So here we go at a complete stop. I also did some other videos as well, comparing, doing some 0 to 40 starts, comparing the Eaton Ultra Shift. We did a 13 speed and 18 speed. You can check those videos out in our links there as well. Just waiting for the light to turn green here, and we'll give it a go. About 10 seconds, and there's 40. So that seemed to be about 13 seconds, something like that, so not too bad at all. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing the video. Please give us a call with any questions, and we're also doing a comparison video on this Freightliner 108 SD versus the Peterbilt 348, kind of the comparable Peterbilt model, if you want to look that one up as well. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website, www.truckstosales, for more information. Thank you.